Good morning, motherfuckers. This is how it is right now. You can barely see shit. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but we're going to work right now. We have to. It's not if we want. No, it's in the morning. We all gotta have a great fucking vibe, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
Yes, sir. Right there. Because I barely left the shop, and I don't want to get over there and they have no parking because we got to offload all these damn turnbuckles by hand. I'm going to be even later because the GMC got a quarter tank of gas. So I got to go fill it up.
You guys want to hear the car? I got you, homies. Chilling. My guy. My guy. We smoke if we want to. Holy fuck. You bastard bitch! Faster? Oh, he's speeding, bro.
We do not care.
Thousand years later.
Fucking piece of shit. 'em all mad and shit. Fucking piece of shit.
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga?
Can you fucking hurry up, bro? I fucking hate this type of people, bro. They trying to fucking merge in, but they don't hurry the fuck up, dude. They're like that truck. Give space to get in so somebody pass you, or just get in, brother. Don't be a fucking idiot, okay? And now you're going fast, like it doesn't make sense to me. Pincho jete. Like what the fuck is this motherfucker doing?
I'm down, Jamal.
Two 2,000 years later.
Good morning, y'all. Well, I might, not for sure, might put this whole video on the same one I recorded yesterday. So, with that said, Let's turn on the car, no? Or not? Man, I don't give a fuck. I do it. Okay. Brother, I really don't know what the fuck going on.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
And I don't want that shit to fucking fall. I don't got a new one though. That's a fucking problem. But I think I can do it just like that. Just like when I record it. You gotta start with this. That's just how it goes. Hellcat shoot flames out the pipe, it's hotter than the stove. Where my nigga ain't, he in the cell for serving niggas blow. Bought a brand new chop with the